Welcome to day one of my summer Polaroid series. Let's begin the first class project. Today's Polaroid is called Sunrise Clouds. Let's take a look at our reference photo. The reference photo for this very first Polaroid has a really bright blue upper sky that fades to pink that is contrasted with a really nice teal colored ocean with some clouds kind of sprinkled here and there. So I'm grabbing a light blue color along with some lavender. I have a round 2 brush and I'm going to slowly create that sky gradient. I'm going to grab in some coral color. It's just a little bit darker pink. Now I'm going to dry this layer with my hot air tool, and I'm going to come in with a teal color for the ocean. When I paint landscapes, I primarily paint from reference photos, and I like to simplify the reference photo to just a very few elements, and that helps me to stay loose because it gives me the freedom to not overwork too many parts of the composition of a reference photo. So for this Polaroid, I'm focusing on the gradient of the sky, the ocean, and the little kind of bit of fluffy clouds that we see above the ocean. Now I'm going to come in with some Dr. Martin's Bleed Proof White. It is a white gouache watercolor, basically meaning it's an opaque white paint. And I'm going to grab a softer round brush so that I can sort of get that kind of fluffy, soft cloud. And I'm just going to paint some clouds right above the ocean horizon. The brush that I'm using to paint these clouds is a bit softer. It's not as firm as the first brush that I was using. And if you look, you can see that I'm just making really small circular motions to capture these clouds. And then now I'm going to grab some metallic paint. I'm going to grab some blue metallic paint, and I'm just going to drop some into our ocean to give it just like a tiny accent of light. And I like how that looks, so we are going to dry this layer, and once everything is dry, we can peel the masking tape off of our Polaroid. This is day one, sunrise clouds, and I hope you will come back